Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Welcome to this new video right here on what I want to look up. Welcome to this new video on Ethereum. We're going to do a full update here on Ethereum. I covered this 2 days ago. I think on Saturday I covered it, which makes that 3 days ago. But I'm not 100% certain. No, I actually covered this March 9th, so 2 days ago. But I wanted to do a full update on the current situation. Just in general what to expect. In the last video we identified this level right here between 2100 and 1800 as the main support level. That is, as you can see historically, a very strong key level in general, but that was also the previous range high, the previous resistance of the range we were in between 2022 and we broke out at the end of 2023. So in general, a very strong support level. And what I said in my last video is that I think we're going to drop down into that level, which we did. As you can see, so the 19th or the 9th, I made the video. We had already dropped down into 2100. I said we're going to drop down into that level even lower, most likely. And that's what we did. And now we've reached the bottom of that level at 1800. Now, I have to say that I would say purely technically, it is still possible that we'll spike down lower very often. You can see like the POC, so the point of control, the level with most of the volume, from that old range was right here at 1630. So I would still say, especially given the current fundamental environment, that there is a chance that we'll spike down into that. So be prepared for that, but ultimately I still do think, and I still do think the support level will hold, and I like the initial reaction. The problem is that purely technically, like, this support level is amazing. All right, it's filled with liquidity. It's historically a very strong support level. You have some psychological support levels in there at 2000. The thing is that at this point of time, look, Bitcoin looks quite good, but the general fundamental circumstances around the markets, and then I'm very much looking at the S&P 500s, are just not great. This is the biggest fall I've seen from the S&P 500 in a very, very long period of time, bigger than the 5th of August right here, for example. And there's still a lot of uncertainty about whether this will continue or not. And if it will continue, then first of all, we will definitely get that spike into 1600s, but then it also becomes less likely, or at least less certain, that this support level will hold. All right, so for now, given the fact that the S&P 500 is also at support, and given the fact that Bitcoin is also showing clear signs of support, which matters for Ethereum as well, of course, because Ethereum is still very correlated to Bitcoin. Given those facts, I would still say that I think it's most likely that this support level will hold, and that we will eventually get some sort of a bullish reclaim above our main resistance level, which is now the top of this area at 2100. So I do think this is most likely, but I personally would not buy Ethereum right now. I have bought some other coins, but Ethereum just remains too risky, especially given the weakness we've seen in the last couple of months. So do I think this is most likely? Yes. Would I personally trade Ethereum right now? Not necessarily. So outside of that, DEX trading volumes are pretty good, or at least pretty decent. TVL is dropping down. That's less good, but all right. We have the World Liberty Finance project launching soon. That could function as some sort of a potential catalyst for the Ethereum ecosystem. But I'll keep you updated on that. There's no real signs of that at this point of time. So just know that. But like I said, technically we depend a lot on the fundamentals around the market instead of Ethereum itself, which at this point of time look decent enough to get this. But I'll keep you updated on that. And if they change and if we see a continued selling pressure, I'll try to keep you updated as soon as possible. That's my mind has changed, and that I think we're going to get a bearish breakdown. But those are my thoughts for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.